there's a good look at what can be in these boxes. I didn't realize we've got some chance for some short printed cards, so that's pretty cool. Should have a auto or mem card. The two or three videos I watched, nobody pulled points, but if we do pull points, I'll random those tonight when I get home. I'll go live on a video. I hope the service will be good enough, but I'll go live on a video and do it on my laptop when I get home tonight. So if we do get some points, you got a chance to get those as well. But anyways, we got 6 of these boxes, 20 cards, so it's a little smaller break, but hopefully we'll have more hits. It's a 120 card break, I guess is what it would be. But anyways, enough ramble jamble. We'll go ahead and get started. As we go along, more of these boxes will come into view, but they're so big. It does have a flap too. There we go. Alright, so we got our 4 packs. I don't think the mem cards are like crazy thick. Could be wrong though. We'll go ahead and get started. I don't see a super thick pack, so I don't know. We'll be looking for the orange parallels, I believe is what they've got in these. Yeah, orange exclusives. Alright. Randall Cobb. Almost said that wrong. It's hard to kind of see those names. There's Rob Gronkowski. We got one of those Blitz inserts. Joe Mixon for the Bengals. So those first 2 will be our base. This is one of the inserts that you see quite often. Our first rookie, James Morgan for the Jets. And Jason Huntley for the Eagles. I might have to figure out a little bit of a strategy because some of these guys I'm not super familiar with based on their combine pictures yet. And the name doesn't hit very well in the light, so it's going to look funny every time I'm tilting the card to peek the name. James Morgan. Alright, we got A.J. Brown. If you want to see the back as well. I kind of like it. Not too busy. I'm not one for the busy cars with a lot going on. So the front's a little busy, but the back's not too bad. Ryan Tannehill, a couple Titans guys there. Our first orange parallel for the Browns. Nick Chubb. That looks good with the Browns colors too. Desmond Patman, rookie for the Colts. And Josiah DeGuara, rookie for the Packers. Playbook should step out quite a ways and pull some of those random rookies that you might not find in other sets. So it's kind of a good break to get into if you're really looking to catch all the players. Cortland Sutton. Looks like Dwayne Haskins here. Next up, Jacob Eason. A little insert there. Got Brelly and Nay, rookie for the Cowboys, and a Clyde Edwards-Helaire. So if you kind of noticing something a little bit different, it looks like the rookies, the color of the card is paired up with their team color. Jeez Louise. And the base cards are all like that teal blue. So the rookies will have their team color, and then you'll have the regular blue for all the base cards. So haven't seen an auto or mem yet, so our last pack should have something in here. And it does not look thick, so I'm not quite sure what's going on. Maybe we got an auto in the first one. Marvin Jones Jr., Drew Brees, got a Jerry Jeudy orange for the Broncos. Neville Gallimore rookie for the Cowboys, and Lynn Bowden Jr. rookie for the Dolphins. Am I missing something here? Are they not guaranteed? I'm trying to see if one might say something where they missed putting a sticker on it or something. Nick Chubb. No, that was 4 packs. We've got 20 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm wondering, I mean, Panini doesn't guarantee anything, but it is kind of odd. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I've got 3 top-loaded cards. 1, 2, 3. That's 19, and then I got this Jerry Jeudy here. So I guess the auto/mem are not a guarantee, or we just had a random fluke box there. Let's see what the next one's got going for us. I mean, all the boxes say on average, but I've actually never had one that didn't have something in it. Yeah, that's rather weird. Double checking all the cards, and I didn't see, like, because on the back I've seen sometimes where a card will have supposed to have had an autograph. Like it'll say this autograph is certified by Panini, but it doesn't have the sticker on the front. And I didn't see anything on those. But let's see what this box has got going on. Geno Atkins, Kirk Cousins. Got a rookie orange parallel of Jeremy Chin. That's not bad for the Panthers. A little CD Lamb rookie. And Joe Reed for the Chargers. This is one thing, you get quite a few rookies out of Playbook. Now this one feels a little thicker. I think it's got a mem card in it. Get my trash a little closer. Jared Goff. Evan Ingram. So I guess they're not all rookie mems. Oh, it's numbered though. 60 of 149 for the Giants. Hot Routes mem card. It's actually kind of cool. You got a Dak Prescott captain's insert. James Prochet rookie for the Ravens. And AJ Epineza for the Bills. So I guess we honestly just got gypped on that first box because we've got a mem card here on this one. It's actually numbered too. That I didn't realize that was going to be the case on some of these. Even though it says it on the back, I just never expect to pull one, especially when the first box we didn't even get our mem card or autograph. Oh, we got one. We got a little Hot Routes mem card. Not too shabby. Got the CD Lamb out of the first pack and that Jeremy Chin orange. Zach Martin for the Cowboys. Keenan Allen for the Chargers. Got Sammy Watkins orange parallel for the Chiefs. Jacob Eason rookie for the Colts. And Darrington Evans rookie for the Titans. Got a couple Jacob Easons to get us going here. Deion Jones. Josh Allen for the Jaguars. I guess this blitz is tied to an online game because it had a code on the back. Cortland Sutton, blitz for the Broncos. Isaiah Coulter, rookie for the Texans. And Kenneth Murray, rookie for the Chargers. So the blitz is kind of a cool insert, but it also serves a purpose, I guess, for the online game. Alright, not a lot going on yet. Got gypped our first box, second box, so we did get a numbered mem card, but they're putting like 3 packs on top, and then they got like 1 hidden. No, the blitz cards aren't numbered. We'll look at this one though real quick, just double check. They could be, but I mean, I don't know that anybody needs that code, I guess. I don't think anybody's playing the game. Could be playing the game, I guess. Maybe I should hide those codes. You can get a Blitz numbered card, though. They've got Blitz mem cards and Blitz Prime numbered to 10. Jimmy Garoppolo, Stephon Diggs, another Jerry Jeudy orange parallel for the Broncos. Broncos tearing it up. Colts tearing it up. Got Jonathan Taylor and Cesar Ruiz for the Saints. Maybe we'll find one of those numbered blitz cards. That'd be cool. Ben Roethlisberger. Oh, we got an auto. Oh, what? Jeff Okudah? Sick. He's like number 3 pick, wasn't he? That's nasty. I mean, I know he's a defensive player and won't be remembered for a great rookie year, but still, that's sweet. Got A.J. Dillon next up. Oh, we got an extra card, too. Dang, we just got all the goodies. Jake Fromm, rookie, that's not bad. And Bradley Anae, the Cowboys. Dang. Jeff Okudah. Actually, cut this sleeve up. They're a little bit thicker, so. There we go. Sick nasty. Those cards may be thicker than 35 points. Those are similar to those, like Bowman Chrome and Topps Chrome autos, that they're like oddly thick. I just wait and put them in a good top loader that fits. Yeah, it is nice the way they did that. I was watching a break and I was trying, or not, well, I guess it's technically a break. He was just opening a couple boxes, but I was like, what is going on? He finally figured it out and said it was the team colors. Alvin Kamara, Joe Mixon, Kyle Van Noy, orange parallel for the Dolphins, another Clyde Edwards-Helaire, and Neville Gallimore for the Cowboys. I will say Playbook and similar products that are like Donruss and stuff like that, they typically have some of the same boxes, like almost identical boxes. So I'm hoping that these 6-box breaks we do can bring us 6 different boxes, hopefully consistently. Jarrett Stidham, Kenyon Drake. Got a Joe Mixon, and they love Joe Mixon here. He's got a zoning commission card, insert card. That's kind of a nice photo there. I thought we had it too, but it's Lynn Bowden Jr. again. And got a new one, Adam Troutman for the Saints. Interesting. There's one thing with Playbook and some other products that aren't like Prism. You'll have some of the rookies that they just reach out there and get them. Maybe way down the totem pole. It makes it kind of cool though, because that may be their only auto. I think about Christian Wood in basketball. He's kind of become a more talked about player for the Rockets, but he only has like 2 rookie cards that people trade, and they're both out of Donruss. He's got a Donruss rated rookie and a Donruss the Rookies card, so it makes those cards super valuable, just because those are his only 2 cards. That may be a mem card there, so we'll save it for last. It felt thicker. I know Contenders we opened last year, they had some different various autos. One of them was a punter, which I thought was cool. Curtis Samuel, Darren Waller. We got a Juju Smith-Schuster orange parallel for the Steelers. Colin Johnson, rookie for the Jaguars, and Michael Pittman Jr. for the Colts. So the Colts really tearing it up. Chiefs got a couple CEH rookies. Let's see what else we can find. Justin Tucker. Oh, what in the world? This is random, like Oh, okay. So you see the little. Well, this card's numbered. Sorry, I'm just kind of talking to myself here, but the Playbook is a golden color. It's numbered 21 out of 49. That's actually really cool. I don't know why it just comes random in the second slot, though. That's crazy there. I got another Blitz, Devontae Parker for the Dolphins. So, again, the Chiefs tearing it up with that numbered card. Quintez Cephas, rookie, and another James Morgan, rookie for the Jets. So, we got 2 numbered cards now. That's pretty cool. Makes me wonder how many mega boxes are actually printed. If you get numbered cards so easily. We may be having crazy luck or something, but it's kind of random to pull a couple numbered cards like that already. Cooper Kupp, Mitchell Trubisky. Got a Jake Fromm orange parallel for the Bills. Jason Huntley, rookie for the Eagles. And Laviska Shenault Jr., rookie for the Jaguars. All right, like I said, I think we have a mem card here. It feels pretty thick. Randall Cobb. It's upside down. Joe Mixon. They love Joe Mixon. Playbook loves Joe Mixon. Got a nice thick mem card there for the Bengals. That's that same card we looked at earlier. This is just the mem version, I guess. I like it. Yeah, another one here. I guess they get the little room for the patch if needed, but this is just a regular insert. Rashad Penny for the Seahawks. And we got Clavon Chason for the Jaguars, and another Jerry Jeudy rookie for the Broncos. So we are doubling up and doubling up. We do have 2 boxes left, though. Hopefully we can load up on some of those quarterbacks we're missing. I don't like the top loader. Don't like them. Sometimes I don't think they get cut in the middle very well. You start feeling it as you slide the card in. Just don't want to go like normal. Oh, they put all 4. Not sure what the purpose of the flap is if you're going to put them all on top. That's just the way it is. Jimmy Garoppolo. Last time I had upside down right there, it was numbered. Gardner Minshew. We got a orange rookie, orange parallel. Logan Wilson for the Bengals. Another Jonathan Taylor rookie and Cesar Ruiz. Jarrett Stidham. Terry McLaurin. Devin Singletary, Blitz. Another Lynn Bowden Jr. And Adam Trotman for the Saints. So again, some of those very similar packs popping out there. There's Alvin Kamara. Lamar Jackson. Got a Christian McCaffrey, orange parallel. That's a nice one for the Panthers. Another Clyde Edwards-Helaire. That's number 2 or 3. I think 3. And Neville Gallimore. Orange team colors. Orange parallel rookie. Not the one you're looking for, but still pretty cool. Ben Roethlisberger on the front. Mem card upside down. Who's it going to be? Darius Slayton. Man, the Giants getting these mem cards. That's another one of those Blitz mem cards. Or maybe the first one was different. I got a blue patch there. Non-numbered, but nice little patch. Zoning Commission of Benny Snell Jr. Another Jake Fromm rookie. And Bradley N.A. So we've gotten 3 mem cards and auto. And we got skunked on 1 box. They didn't give us points on that box. They just skunked us. All right. Last shot. Well, I got them all underneath the covering that time. It's a lot of wasted area there. I don't know. They all look kind of the same, so maybe no mem card. Maybe I'm just blind. Try to save the hit for last, but sometimes you just can't get it done. Cooper Kupp, Keenan Allen. You got a Taysom Hill orange for the Saints. Pretty cool. Another Jason Huntley and LaVisca Chenault Jr. So we got another one of him. I thought we were about to have a duplicate pack there, but I think that those guys don't usually run together, so maybe not. We need a big quarterback, though. Where's all the 1, 2, 3, 4 guys? Cortland Sutton, Josh Allen for the Jaguars. One of those blitz. Hunter Henry for the Chargers. Trayvon Diggs, rookie for the Cowboys, and Devin Duvernay for the Ravens. Yeah, you guys are right. Cowboys going kind of nuts. Marvin Jones Jr., Kirk Cousins. Clavon Chason, orange parallel for the Jaguars. Jeremy Chin, rookie for the Panthers. And Javon Kinlaw, rookie for the 49ers. Last pack. Alright, Justin Tucker. It's upside down. I think it's a mem card. It is a rookie at least. Antonio Gandy Golden. The enclosed memorabilia is not from any specific game or event. Oh, that's actually a big old patch. 27 of 99. Wow. Mammoth materials. That's what it says. That's crazy. That is very large. I didn't know those were in here. You can only get so much of the spectrum, I guess, watching 2 or 3 breaks on YouTube, but try to learn as much as I could, I guess. Sony Michel, zoning commission card there. Quintez Cephas and another James Morgan. So it looks like that's going to be the tale of Playbook. A lot of these packs are very similar. So if you get into a similar run, you're really going to get pancaked on some teams. I think a lot of teams got a rookie, but there were some teams that were just overloaded, like Chiefs, Cowboys, Colts, Bills. And when that happens, you only got 120 cards on the break. You really leave out some other teams. And we did get 3 numbered cards, so that's kind of interesting. All right, we will do a recap. Yeah, Dave, I bet you there's some teams that didn't get anything. So I have to go through and see who all needs a refund. Oh, thanks, Michael. All right, we got James Morgan. Next up, Jacob Eason insert. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Jerry Jeudy orange. This is numbered to 149. Evan Ingram. Hot Routes. CD Lamb. Jeremy Chin orange. Another Jacob Eason there. Jake Fromm. Jerry Jeudy orange. Jonathan Taylor. I think we had another of his rookies as well. Got 2 or 3 Clyde Edwards-Helaire. We got McCole Hardman, 21 of 49. So that may have been the shortest printed card we got tonight. Zoning Commission mem card of Joe Mixon. Laviska Shenault rookie. Jake Fromm orange. Christian McCaffrey orange. Logan Wilson orange. Darius Slayton mem card. Blitz for the Giants. Mammoth Materials 27 of 99. Antonio Gandy Golden. You can barely read anything on that card. You got like right there, you can hardly read anything. Kavon Chason orange and Taysom Hill orange. Oh no, Vikings either. Yeah, I don't know, I might have to up it to 8 boxes then if we're going to have a bunch of teams get skunked. I don't like having a bunch of teams get skunked, but... Oh, we got another card. I hadn't sleeved this one yet because it was kind of that weird stock, but this is our only auto. Jeff Okudah, sticker auto for the Lions. Non-numbered, but pretty cool. It's actually, he was like, what, 2nd or 3rd pick? So that's wild. 3rd pick, I think. Anyways, I'm going to hop off here, do some card sorting. I'll probably have a bunch of teams got skunked, so I have to go through and take care of those. But if y'all need anything, shoot me a message. Got the basketball break coming up soon, so we will catch you guys there. See you later.